Hi, welcome to Diving Ducks Crochet. Today I want to talk about some of my favorite cowls and wraps I have made and hopefully leave you with some inspiration on your next crochet project. I will start with this one. This was a cowl I made from about 2 years ago, and I did it with some yarn from Hobby. I started with a brim, then I added a block stitch down here, and then I added a brim on the bottom as well. And this is a very nice pattern. You just work one big square and then sew it together on the back afterwards. So very easy pattern and very, very beautiful stitch. Then I made this one. This is a little different. It's a very long one. It is supposed to wear like a thick neck cowl, and then you can also pull it up to warm the rest of your head. So it both warms around your head and on the neck as well. So this is a very long one. And this very, very beautiful stitch, it's actually just single crochet worked in rounds. I got a lot of questions about this stitch, but it's actually just single crochet worked in rounds. A lot of people mistake it because they are used to see it back and forth, but this is how it looks when it's worked in the rounds. And then I have made this cowl, one of my more colorful cowls. It's the granny stitch, granny stripes. I made a brim, and then as some ribbing, then the granny stripes, and then I added a rib down at the edge as well. And then this one is worked from Honey Bunny from Hobby. Very nice pattern and stitch as well. This is, I think it's single crochet or half double crochet worked in between the stitches from the previous row, and that is what makes this beautiful pattern. This is just the same row repeat, so one row repeat for the whole thing, one square, sew it together, and that's it. Very, very easy pattern to do. When we talk about easy, this one, this works up. It's amazing how quickly this works up. It's worked in the yarn from We Are Knitters. I actually have a skein of it right here, you can see. This is called the petite wool because this is the small version. This is just worked in the wool, not the petite wool, because this is really big yarn. It works up so fast. It's the most soft yarn in the world, and the colors is just to die for. I think this is so beautiful. And I really like this pattern as well. I don't really remember the stitch. You can see it in the tutorial, of course, but I made this in about an hour. It took no time at all. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 12 rows. That's it. Very, very easy to do. I really like this one. Then I have made this one. This is also a very long time ago. I can not remember I made this, but I have a picture with me in it wearing this. So I think I have worn it at some point. Very, very beautiful yarn. It must be cookie yarn, which I have used a lot recently because they have made a new name. So I had to use up the yarn. But this has so beautiful colors in it. This is a very long one, so it's supposed to get wrapped multiple times, and they can be used around the head, and yeah, I really like the colors. Then I have made 3 twisted tube scarf recently. This one is twisted twice. And it's worked in the triple, with the triple crochet. And it's really nice around the neck. Yeah. This one is worked up the fastest of these 3. So if you want to work a fast one, choose this one. This one has the nicest texture of the 3. I didn't weave in the last end. I'm really boring like that. Or lazy. But the texture of this one is amazing. but it also takes the longest time to make. So, but I think actually that is the beautiest. It's worked in the back loop single crochet, then I crochet a tube, twist it, sew it together, and that's it. It's very, very nice. Then this one, this is my favorite one. This is a mixture between the two. It has nice texture and it works up really fast. And I think it's the prettiest one as well. I'm selling most of my projects or gifting them away, but this one I actually want to keep. I really like this one. So if I should recommend some or one of my projects, I would pick this one. So I would really like to hear which one was your favorite. Please leave a comment down below. I hope to see you again soon. Bye.